5 reasons why you should repeat your Miiracare Combo set repurchase at the Loyalty Mall. Hello Revoobit family, it's me, Mohd Farihan Azman, as your Chief Marketing Officer of Revoobit International. Have you ever wondered why so many members keep making a repurchase at the Loyalty Mall? Today, I'm going to share with you the top 5 reasons why you should make your repurchases of combo set at Loyalty Mall every month. Let's get started. Reason number 1. Save more and stay healthy. You will enjoy, as a members of consumer, 40 RV savings with every single repurchases that you do at Loyalty Mall. At the same time, consistent use of Miiracare Combo sets of products will ensure your health stays in the best condition. Save money, stay healthy, it's a win-win. Reason number 2, earn more as an entrepreneur. As a Revoobit entrepreneur, you earn extra profit with every Miiracare Combo set sold. You can imagine that you earning 40 RV from one set. If you sell 10 sets in a month, that's equals to 400 RV profits. This is your chance to build your passive income while helping others stay healthy. Reason number 3, enjoy $350 of travel rewards. Through your repurchase at Loyalty Mall, you also can qualify for 350 travel fund rewards. And the best part is, the reward is given to you 3 times a year. Travel to the world, enjoy your life, and grow your business at the same time. Reason number 4, 2,400 monthly housing fund rewards. With consistent repurchases, you will be eligible to receive a house fund worth of $2,400 every month. This is how Revoobit rewards to you for your loyalty and consistency. Step by step, you are building your dream home with Revoobit. And last but not least, reason number 5, a stable career and family legacy. And finally, you are building a solid long-term business career that can last for your next generations. This is not only about business, but this is about creating a legacy for your family future. Revoobit is not just a system, it's a family growth together. So don't wait any longer. Make your repurchase of Miiracare Combo set at Loyalty Mall today. You'll gain better health, more income, and exciting rewards all at once. Because with Revoobit, we move together with one vision, one mission, one system, one Revoobit family.